Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Sue Ann, and I would like to congratulate InfoTrack and Quorse on their merger. Now, I would like to share with you something with regards to Microsoft Office training, because I am a Microsoft Office trainer. And reason why a lot of companies may feel that Microsoft Office is not to say an important program for them. It's because some of them feel that Microsoft Office is a program that any user can pick it up on its own. But what happens is when they start doing this in their work, what will happen is a lot of people would tend to do a lot of trial and error in order to get what they want. So they will probably waste a lot of time doing it and also inefficient way of doing things. So when you register yourself for any Microsoft Office training, first thing, the trainer will share the experience with you, how you can actually use them, and also we will also give you experiences based on clients who actually ask us questions, and then from there we will be able to further elaborate and also give them some tips and tricks on why and how to use certain things efficiently. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in my training. Thank you.